Good morning, everyone. We're just doing our first little video introduction of Kensie's puppies here. We have 2 black and white and 2 Blenheim puppies. All are girls. And the first one I'm going to introduce you to is Kensie. She has just slightly more white on her face than her other black and white sister does, but 4 paws with the white and white on her chest. Kensie, and then her sister here is Kelly. A little bit less white on her face, but bigger white marks on her front paws there, and a little bit more white down the chest. There's those 2, and then here we have Chloe. Chloe's got a little bit of white on her ear. Her Blenheim markings. Not anything on that side. And a white chest. Oh, I know, get ya. And last but not least, we have Kennedy. Also with the Blenheim markings. A little bit more than her sister there. Her sister's beached. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, I know. You think you're starving, but you're not. Very full bellies. So these are F1 Cavapoos, growing great. They just think they're hungry all the time, even though their bellies say differently. But there you have it. That's our Kensie crew. Thanks, guys.